exercise is to have an overcorrection of her spinal curve. So this is called the frog at the pond position. So she's gonna have her legs off onto her right side. Her right hand she can keep on her hip here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna contract on this side, keep this left arm overhead, and we're just gonna come over this way. So what we're doing here is we're strengthening the muscles on the right, lengthening the ones on the left, and hopefully that will maintain her spinal curve or maybe lessen it.
So this is a home-based exercise for our patient to do based on the idea from the Schroth method about lengthening the shortened muscles. So our patient has a right thoracic curve, so we want her leaning over toward the right with a focus on lengthening her left side up and over rather than just coming straight to the right.
For the sail exercise, you'll have your patient stand on a half foam roller with their arms rested on the door frame. Then you'll have your patient assume correct posture. So for our patient, she'll need to have her hips aligned and her shoulders in line. And then you'll have her breathe in, and when she breathes in, you'll have her rotate just slightly to the left, bringing her left shoulder up and back, and hold that for 10 seconds. And then release.
Okay, so the first thing you want to do is have your patient actively sit up tall, and then you're going to start with the hips. So our patient has a right thoracic curve, so you're going to want to shift the hips to the right, and what you're doing is pushing the left hip down because her left hip is raised, and then trying to push her right hip up to get the hip square. And then you're going to shift the shoulders to the left and try to push the right shoulder down and even out the left shoulder. And then you want your patient to hold that for 10 seconds. So it's just evening out their posture, and then they'll relax back to their active posture, their tall posture. And then you'll do it again. So shift to the right, shoulders to the left, they're in line and hold.
Alright, so this is going to be the hanging bicycle exercise, and you're going to need some sort of bar to hang from, and you're basically just going to hold this exercise and pedal your legs until your shoulders fatigue or you lose your posture. Okay, so here we go.